equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. First, disconnect your Dyson SV14 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart to expose the internal components. Now, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the handle. This will not only help with the repair but also improve the overall performance of your vacuum. If you find this task too daunting, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. With the handle open, locate the trigger mechanism. You will see a small clip holding the trigger in place. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully pry this clip off. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Once the clip is removed, you can easily take out the old trigger. Before installing the new trigger, check for any signs of wear or damage in the surrounding area. If everything looks good, insert the new trigger into the mechanism. Make sure it fits snugly and operates smoothly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum. After the new trigger is in place, reattach the clip to secure it. Ensure it is firmly in position to avoid any future issues. Now, it's time to reassemble the handle. Align the two halves and replace the screws you removed earlier. Tighten them securely, but be careful not to over-tighten as this could strip the screws. Once the handle is back together, give it a final inspection. Check that the trigger operates correctly and that there are no loose parts. If everything is in order, you can reconnect your Dyson SV14 to the power source. Before you start using it, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so if you encounter any further issues, you can get a clear idea of the costs involved. Finally, test your vacuum to ensure it's working as expected. If you experience any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. With these steps, you should have successfully replaced the trigger on your Dyson SV14, ensuring it continues to perform at its best. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.